Okay, don't want to be rude, but we have very little time here, right? We've got a hard stop at 9, we've got other banks we've got to talk to, and frankly, DBS is quite a small player in our revolver. I don't know if I see you as a plausible cash management bank. Sophie insisted that I hear what you have to say, so what you got?
Well, I understand that you're setting up a regional treasury center in Asia. Singapore is actually an ideal location for RTC. We have a good business infrastructure, transparent regulatory standards.
So what is your recommendation and how can DBS help us with our plans?
So perhaps before that, if I can just ask, what are your objectives setting up a regional treasury centre here?
Well, we've got a treasury center in Europe. We get good cost savings, we get risk reductions, and basically we're just seeing if we can replicate that in Asia and get the same benefits here. And so usual stuff, cash management, working capital, funding, FX.
So we're in the early stages, no decision has been made yet. We're talking to partners and banks like yourself before evaluating it at the headquarters. And David is here to understand and get a feel of the circumstances from the ground.
In that case, it may be good to consider some options. Phil has set up some scenarios. Phil, would you like to take us through them?
Sure, we'll be happy to. So here we've made some assumptions on what your cash balances are in the region, but feel free to correct. Here you can see, these are your cash balances in each country. And based on this, we've made some liquidity structures. So this structure you can see here has the liberal currency sweeping into Singapore, into a notional cash pool, as well as an interest optimization structure to wrap up the residual balances. And here you can see the benefit of the structure. And then furthermore here, you can see that we've modeled some different scenarios for you. So you can compare and contrast, for example, having a cash pool in Singapore, Australia, Hong Kong, and see the net cost benefits of each.
Okay, I think the cash balance in Australia should be 2 million. Maybe you can come back to us after you rework this.
No problem. In fact, we can get that corrected right away. So if I go to the accounts, and I click on this edit button here, so I can put in the balance. 2 million, was it?
Yes.
Right. And I'll update the account, and yeah, there you go. You can see the benefit numbers updated in real time.
Wow, this will save us a lot of time. I wonder if I can use it.
Yeah, of course, we can get you set up with Access, then you can access it from anywhere.
But why are you giving us this? We don't do cash management with DBS.
But we believe in insights-led engagement. As an Asian bank, we believe in building long-term relationships. We want to bring to you our on-the-ground expertise on all the local regulations and local practices.
So that's why, for example, throughout the tool, we've included regulatory insights, so you can be confident that the solutions explored are compliant with local regulations. And furthermore, we've included benchmarking against market norms.
There's another thing. As you probably know, we're present in 9 countries in Asia, and Sophie tells me you're only present in 6. So how are we going to bridge the gap?
You're right. We are operating in 6 core markets where we have full cash management capabilities. In all 6, we would want to be able to work with you and implement the best solution for your company.
And in the other markets, we're in the process of setting up partner bank arrangements to make your banking seamless. So for example, this year we've already set up Malaysia and Thailand, and later this year we'll have Philippines too.
Okay.
The idea is not to limit our conversation to the markets that we operate in. We are in Asia and want to share with our clients all that we know in this region.
That's why we've also built a knowledge center, which has case studies. So these are success stories where we've helped other clients make their cash management more efficient. Furthermore, we have country profiles. So for each country, we have some bite-sized information on the country's regulatory landscape and payment infrastructure.
This looks pretty good. I think it would be helpful in head office.
Actually, also for our colleagues in the region, so they don't come to me with so many questions.
Yeah. All right, so let's get started. How do we do this?
Oh, right away. Straight after this meeting, we'll share with you the link. Then once you're in, we can collaborate on the data and the solutioning.
Fantastic.
Great, let's do this. Thank you.